Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So I'm sitting on the floor in my beauty room right now because I need to do some cleaning in here. I want to organize my skincare. So I bought one of these little towers. You see this tower that I have right there? That has been for my makeup, but I also just went and picked up another one curbside at Michael's since we're quarantined right now. We can't really go anywhere. I bought not the same gold one because I got this gold one from Home Goods. And of course, Home Goods is closed right now. So I went and got a silver one from Michael's that was like half the price and it looks exactly the same. It's got the same drawers, the same amount of drawers. I want to use that one especially for skincare and I want to differentiate that from the makeup. So I'm going to be doing that. So I really need to take care of that today. And then I also need to clean as well. So if you are interested in seeing some cleaning and some organizational motivation beauty style, then just keep on watching. So this is the current condition of the beauty room right now. I have things all over this little filming table that I have used. Makeup boxes on the floor, boxes on the floor over here, a disaster on my vanity, things on the floor that need to be organized, and then items that are on the shelves. I want to get these organized. I was using them for storage for makeup and things like that, but as you can see now it's starting to look a little cluttered, and this is mostly skincare. As you can see, skincare on this tower, and then I also have some skincare on that tower over there, and then I've got skincare all jumbled around in my bathroom. So I want to get all of that, including like these little lotions and things that you see over here. So I just want to get all of that organized, put away into one of these towers. I need to put all of this makeup up. Then I'm going to do some labels on these towers so that I know where everything is. So I'm gonna get started.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and the broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody different time, yeah, we're of a different breed, cause what we got is...
So that was fairly easy. I did use the gold one that I have right there as a guide. You can tell it's like almost the same manufacturer. So now I'm just gonna stick on these little pulls for the drawers.
Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we holding the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we please. Ooh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody
Here is the finished stand. I do have some wheels, but I'm in a room with carpet and I really don't need to put the wheels on because I pick them up and move them around anyways because they're so lightweight. Like this gold one over here, it came with the wheels on it, if you can see. And my rug in here is so thick that the wheels don't work on it properly. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in place because I'm gonna put it on the other side of my filming area right there because I like to have everything at an arm's reach when I'm filming. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick it there and get it organized with all of my skincare and anything else that I need to put away.
Once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights.
So this is already getting full with cleansers. My cleanser drawer is already full and I still have more cleansers on the floor that I'm going through right now. So I need to figure out if I'm gonna create another cleanser drawer or if I'm gonna do something else.
We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floating on air in my mind. No going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Living in
that created a lot of space around the room, just in different spots. Like it completely got rid of an entire drawer. I have a whole nother drawer that I could use for eyeshadows because eyeshadows are starting to build up again. I'm gonna start putting things back into where that they go. That way I can clean up all of this clutter. I still have 3 drawers in this little caddy that I just bought to put things in, so that's great.
we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. To your old life, not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.
So this is how much like foundation and dirt and stuff there was on that vanity. I'm so excited because I'm actually going to be doing away with this little top that I got. As you guys know that instead of getting the Alex drawers, I just use the Michaels drawers. But I'm actually getting a Vanity Impressions tabletop that's going to sit atop of both of these, and it's going to add like another 3 inches on top of that, so it won't be as short anymore. So I'll be getting rid of this little top that the light sits on, and the vanity lights will actually now sit on the new tabletop. And I'm really excited about that tabletop because it comes with 3 drawers in it, a glass top, and they have crystal knobs on the drawers. It is going to add such a nice vibe in this room, and it's going to give me more storage to store things that I would like to look at when I sit down at my vanity. So I'm really excited about that. I wanted to get the whole setup, like the whole Vanity Impression setup, but there were a few other changes that I wanted to make to my house. So I forewent the desk, and I'll just go with the top, which should still add the same type of element that I want. And I was gonna update to Alex drawers, 5s and the 9s on both sides with the lac drawers on the outside of that, but I'm just gonna keep the Michael shelves instead. That's why I ended up getting this guy right here, so I can open up space over here and use this for more makeup. So this is a setup right now. I am gonna update you guys when I get that tabletop in here. And I'm thinking about replacing the bulbs in here to more warm light. I actually really like warm light better than I like daylight. Like, I'm more of a 3500 Kelvin type girl than I am like a 5000 Kelvin type girl. So this is what we have in the room now, guys.
I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying high.
So now I'm just making these little labels with my brother label maker, and I'm gonna get one on all 10 of these on this side as well. And with a little bit of magic, it's done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And I will see you in the next video. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful.